Line up, boys. Single file lines. Have your passports out and have your shillings ready to pay the busman, the bell busman, who comes to collect the toll. For every boy must pay in order to obtain admission to visit with the Tolden Rebbe. Is that understood? Is that understood among all the yardlings? If it is, then that's good. If not, then you'll get a tiddlywinkle on your Billy Boinker. Is that understood? Is it understood by all the little lads, the lads of Bloomington? Huh? $10 million.